how to make everyone can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click this one, profile and tagging, and here you will find who can post on your this one, who can see what others post on your profile. Click on it and then just select everyone, and now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.